Here is how to create a billing cycle in Stripe step by step. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you are in, take a moment to confirm which environment you are using. If you are testing this setup, switch to Sandbox or Test mode before you continue. That detail matters because it keeps test subscriptions and test payments separate from live customer activity. With the correct mode selected, go to Product Catalog. This is where Stripe stores the products and prices that you use for one-time or recurring charges. From here, you can either create a new product or open one that already exists, depending on whether you are setting up something new or adding a billing cycle to an existing offer. If you are creating a new product, enter the product details that apply to your account, then move forward to pricing. If you opened an existing product, look for the option to add a new price. Click Add Price to begin defining how this product will be billed. When the pricing options appear, select Recurring as the pricing type. This is the setting that creates an ongoing billing cycle rather than a one-time charge. After that, choose the billing interval that matches the schedule you want to use. Stripe gives you interval options such as daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Select the one that fits the subscription you are setting up. After the interval is in place, review any additional billing options available on that screen. One detail to pay attention to is the billing cycle anchor, if you need one. This controls when the recurring billing period starts in relation to the subscription. If your setup requires billing to begin on a specific date or aligned to a particular schedule, configure that here. If not, leave the default option that matches your intended timing. Once the recurring price and any related billing settings are configured, click Create Price or Save, depending on the version of the page you are viewing. That stores the recurring pricing structure under the product so it can be used for subscriptions. The final part is to create a subscription using that recurring price. Start a subscription flow in Stripe and make sure you choose the product and the recurring price you just created. As you go through the subscription setup, verify that the billing cycle shown matches the interval and any anchor settings you selected earlier. Check that the timing appears the way you expect before you treat the setup as complete. If the subscription reflects the correct recurring schedule, then the billing cycle has been applied successfully. Your Stripe product now has a recurring price with the billing cycle applied correctly.